Hello everyone, Ilava here. Welcome to another awesome review. In this video, we will talk about AI-based software one-click music maker app and millions of royalty-free track music maker software, not only that you can also start your own music service. And also gets you to stream and enjoy free unlimited music for life. Let me show a little glimpse how it's possible. It's cool, right? And make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll show you all the features, pricing, bonuses, and discounts so you know what you're getting into if you decide to buy. Before we begin, I should warn you that this software is only available through their official website. If you want to buy this software, go to its official website. To make your search easier, well, I've included the official link in the description. Let's get started. Well, Music Maker is an AI-powered music creation app so you can easily set up your own music streaming service in 2 minutes or less. Furthermore, you can easily create your own music for your business video, sales video, in 3 simple steps, and it's 100% beginners friendly and no annoying ads. Music Maker pros and cons. Pros. Music Maker is 100% AI-based platform so that you can your own music with a few clicks. Music Maker came up with 1 million plus ready-to-use track so that you can download your favorite unlimited music and tracks with just one tap. This software is fully cloud-based system so that you can save unlimited music and tracks. In Music Maker you can get 20 plus music categories, free access to royalty-free music, non-copyrighted, inbuilt video and image editor, high-quality downloads, social sharing feature and included with audio mixer. Cons. It's going smooth still now so no drawn backs found. Music Maker pricing and bonus. You can get Music Maker at a low one-time price of just $16.59. Locking discount was running on, so if you buy Music Maker now you can save up $200+. If you decided to buy, check the description for official site link. And this product came with 30 days money back guarantee, so if you don't like Music Maker you can return it, your money is 100% safe. But take advantage of limited time offer and you can also get 6+ different special bonuses along with this Music Maker. Bonus 1 Stock Hub. Now you can access biggest collection of stock images, videos, vectors, animations, memes and audio. Bonus 2 Puzzle Profits one-click app to create your own passive income. Bonus 3 Apps Creator brand new one-click cloud-based mobile app builder. Bonus 4 Kinpin Mass promote any affiliate links to the biggest buyer platforms. Bonus 5 100K traffic to your affiliate offers and landing pages in one click today. Bonus 6 free Facebook group. If you purchase this product you can access customer-only Facebook groups where creator team will help you. Bonus 7 Elevate the world's first done-for-you automation app that creates 100% automated software to cash in on autopilot. My personal opinion, should you buy Music Maker? People globally spend 2 hours and 36 minutes per day listening to music. Independent artists earn $12.860 per year on average. 65% of total music industry revenue comes from streaming. So streaming your content and creating your own music track is one of the best decisions in the current situation you're made. Already tons of people making money in this particular niche. Average person who create music in Fiverr and Upwork earn up to $1,800+ for one compose. So if you want to make some fun adventurous and you are passionate about music, this software is perfect for you. Moreover, it's beginners friendly and ad free so that even a guy with zero experience in music can also earn some good sum of money. That's it guys, I hope this video will help you to take a best purchase decision. Maybe if you feel like you've been stuck, comment below, I think maybe I can help.
If it is useful, then support our channel by liking the video and sharing this content to your friends. But don't forget to subscribe the channel, then only I can able to reach you guys in another video. Have a great week. Cheers.